Hello, welcome back to Puerto Vallarta. Today we are on the boardwalk, or the Malecón. This is kind of the prize jewel of Puerto Vallarta's oceanfront. As you can see, we've got a wonderful pedestrian walkway, free of cars, little bike path. Up against it, we've got our seawall. Got great views of the ocean, both directions, and this is where you'll find some of the more touristy style restaurants and shopping experience. Now, it's a great experience, don't get me wrong, but it's going to be a little bit more pricey than you would find a little bit further in town versus on the actual boardwalk. As you can imagine, this beauty, this wonderful streetscape where you'll have local performers, artists doing work out on the side here, and don't forget the wonderful sand sculptures. Depending on the time of year, where the tides are, you'll have great sand sculptures set up there. It's truly amazing what some of these people can do with just sand and a little bit of time. So while you're in Puerto Vallarta, be sure to check out the boardwalk or the Malecón.
What about the nightlife?
The nightlife. This is a great place also where you're going to find all of your bars, club type activities. Again, a little bit more upscale, but this will be a much safer part of Puerto Vallarta than you would find, say, further in